Hello friends, my name is Siddhartha Sinha and I welcome all of you to my channel Siddhartha Sinha Arts. I have decided that using my artistic skills, I will help the young generation to attain knowledge of every possible aspect regarding their surroundings. I am starting with an attempt which shall help the aspirants of several government exams. I know you wish to crack UPSC, SSC, state civil services and other service examinations, but in order to crack it, what you require is the knowledge. I will present short videos like this for several subjects like history, geography, polity, economics, personalities, and many more. I can assure you that if you watch these videos, you will definitely attain the necessary knowledge than yesterday's you. I will make you a better version of yourself. Swami Vivekananda once said, "Education is the manifestation of perfection already in man." Believe in yourself, friends. The perfection lies within you. What you need to do is simply set a goal and work until you achieve it. So, without wasting any more time, let us begin our beautiful journey of attaining knowledge. If anyone asks you, what is history? Your reply would be, history means past. More precisely, we might say, history is the quest about knowing the past. By studying history, we can understand people, diversity of human societies, nations and their experiences. Isn't it interesting to see people having different ideas, culture, rituals, economic and social practice? I feel that we have attained enough idea about what is history in this session. In the next session, we are going to learn about nomenclature of India. Thank you very much friends for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, share if you like it, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.